What up guys, this is Chris and this is my bike check.
Let's start off with the frame. This is the Total BMX Daniel Sandoval's signature frame in 20.6. We have the Hypermaniac 20.5 bars. We have the Snafu stubby bar ends in red. We have ODI long neck grips with the Odyssey M2 brake lever. I'm running some Odyssey top cables with the Colony detangler. We have a pair of stock rims that came with a complete bike. Looks like it's Alienation rims, Total BMX hubs. I have the Snafu magical forks. I'm running a Total 25 tooth sprocket, stock with the bike, with a stock chain. Total BMX top load stem. Total BMX 3-piece cranks that came stock with the bike. Total BMX stock pedals with the Total BMX U-brake. I'm running Maxxis Grifter tires 20.1, both in the back and the front. Stock Total BMX Sandstorm seat.
Guys, that concludes my bike check. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time.